Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change a code or password or master code on Defiant Keypad. It's a lock that you can get in Home Depot or any hardware store. So first thing what we need to do is remove the back cover. As you see, there is two clips, one here, one here. You just press them and pull the cover out. After we remove the cover, we have here all the instruction how to do that. Follow the instruction with you. First thing, we're going to press the set button here for 1 second until the lock will beep. Then we're going to put the user code that comes with it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the lock button. Then we're going to put number 10. After we put number 10, we press the lock button again. Then we put the new code. And then lock button again. Then we're going to wait until the lock will just reset himself. All the light will go off. So right now, if I press the lock button, it's locking the lock. Now we're going to put the code that I put. It should open the lock. So then we know that we changed it already. Now we're going to add a user code. How we add in a user code? First thing, we're going to press the set button in the back again for 1 second until it's beeping. Then we're going to put the master code. Press the lock button. Then we're going to put 20. Lock button. Then we're going to put the user code we want. Then we put the lock button again, and then we wait for everything to go in off. Now we're going to lock the lock. And now we're going to put the code. And it's set. Now I'm going to show you how to erase the code. So again, we press the setup button. Then we're going to put again the master code. Press the lock button. Then we're going to put number 30. Then we're going to press the lock button. Then we're going to put the code, and then we put the lock button again. Then we wait for it to disappear. That's it, the lock has been erased. Thank you for watching.